Here comes the leader of the C Nation.
Already so many accolades for this young man.
And believe me when I say, John Cena is only getting started.
The following is a Tornado Tag Team match. Introducing first, from West Newbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 251 pounds, John Cena!
A man who has captured multiple world titles, headlined WrestleMania, and I'm starting to believe John Cena just cannot be stopped. This man has already captured multiple world titles. He has a hit rap album, and I heard he may even try acting.
Well, if that doesn't work out for John Cena, he always has a home here in WWE.
You doubt Cena, Saxton? Hey, John, Saxton says you're not going to make it in Hollywood.
No, quiet, Michael. John, I wasn't saying that, I swear.
It's Batista.
And his partner, from Washington, D.C., weighing in at 290 pounds, the Animal Batista!
A multiple-time World Heavyweight Champion, a Royal Rumble winner, Batista has earned his spot atop WWE.
A founding member of Evolution, but the Animal himself has evolved to the top of the food chain in this industry. Six foot 295 pounds, all Animal.
We've seen that when the Beast is unleashed, nobody can stop Batista.
Championships, main events, Batista will take them by force.
And gentlemen, tonight the Animal is on the hunt for even more.
The Apex Predator has arrived.
One of the all-time greats has seen and done everything there is to do in this business.
Representing RK Bro from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 250 pounds, the Viper, Randy Orton!
Ice water in his veins and death in his eyes.
Randy Orton has left a trail of fallen that has spanned over 2 decades.
There are very few champions in this game who are more decorated than the Apex Predator.
And we also know that when Randy Orton goes to that place, it's over.
A competitor who knows what he's doing at all times.
That's why there's only one Apex Predator, and his name is Randy Orton.
One of the most methodical superstars in WWE. Every step he takes serves a purpose.
Yeah, Randy Orton is always thinking inside that ring and provides no reprieve from the gruesome attacks that he creates.
Always a threat with the 3 most dangerous letters in all of sports entertainment, RKO.
The game has arrived.
The cerebral assassin, ready to engage in warfare.
This is gonna be good.
And from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing in at 255 pounds, Triple H!
Over the last decade, we have seen this man's dominance grow. From a blue blood to a degenerate to a multiple-time WWE champion.
Indeed, Triple H has solidified himself at the top of the food chain in WWE, and he has no plans on stepping down anytime soon.
And I don't think anyone can take him down. From Degeneration X to Evolution, we have seen Triple H amass power in WWE, cultivating strength in numbers.
But there's no more room under the learning tree of the cerebral assassin. Now he's all about earning the gold and glory for himself.
Indeed, the game has never been more dangerous. Elimination rules in effect for this matchup here tonight. It'll be John Cena and Batista. Of course, you can't count out the opposition here. As you see, Orton and Triple H.
And each superstar has to be aware of multiple opponents. Has to know this can be a long and grueling battle.
Yeah, but at some point, this match will come down to a one-on-one. The competitor who can take on the least amount of damage before that stage will be in a considerable advantage. Camel clutch applied. They're not going to last long here.
Wait. The grip is broken.
Set him up.
Russian leg sweep.
In a no disqualification match, you never want to be the superstar on the wrong end of a chair or a kendo stick, or whatever else might be hiding under the ring. You want to be the one inflicting that punishment because that's how you control the pace and the match as a whole.
Incoming. Big time powerbomb.
Hooked up. Ah, shin breaker. Compromised position here.
And a spot to the gut, too.
This one is headed outside, guys. Another way. No. Ah, just completely off target there.
That was an absolutely haphazard, uncalculated risk.
And I have no doubt they're going to pay dearly for it.
A stalemate of counters.
Oh, you knew what was coming.
And responds with a counter of their own.
Ah, Triple H counters.
Cena stays off the attack.
Get his press. And now thrown back into the ring.
Up and
Outthinking the cerebral assassin. Elbow drop.
Piercing.
And the game completely on the wrong end of that attack. Really feeling it now.
It's impressive to have some stamina left this deep into the match, but even that can't last forever.
And that was an efficient form of offense with that move. Oh, what a knee lift.
Somebody better check his nose.
blast off.
Uh-oh, got snatched up here. Paying it right back with a reversal.
Launches.
Look at this. to the gut.
Wrapped around into a neck breaker.
Gut wrench. Holds off the attack and lands the suplex.
Whatever's playing here can't be good.
Oh, what a right!
Man, that's some attitude behind it.
No, 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 no. Power bomb out of the apron.
Of all the toys underneath the ring, he just had to go with the one that ensures splinters.
He'll head to the ring. And set right.
Good leg, looking to end this match.
John Cena looking to end this.
Will Batista recover?
Is that all Cena needs?
No, he gets the shoulder.
I am in shock. What's it gonna take to keep this guy down?
Sidewalk slam. Interesting to the cover. Almost ended it there.
What a match.
Got him set up. This could be it, Corey.
I don't know how he's going to pull this off. There's absolutely no way. Oh, my God!
I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Orton is done. Drop kicked all the way to the floor.
Taking this one back to the ring now. He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
He's setting this table up, and guys, someone's about to have a really bad night. Perhaps looking for some kind of equalizer here.
He's got his hands on a sledgehammer. Total chaos is about to be unleashed.
No quarter being given by either competitor. You have to believe this one's going to be decided by the smallest of margins.
He moved, but can he capitalize?
DDT! And the Viper attacking at a critical moment there.
This is it.
Oh, he got it! Oh, kick out at two.
This is amazing.
Nice combo. Great reversal. Here we go.
That's the game changer.
Shoulders down.
Oh, my God.
I'm absolutely stunned. A display of near superhuman resilience.
After seeing that, it's hard to imagine what it's going to take to keep this competitor down.
Triple H remains composed. He'll need to refocus and get back to work to push past the finish line. Pretty drop kick. Straight punch. Caught in a bad position here.
Stops the attack with a hit to the gut. Look at this.
DDT.
Kneeling. Oh, man, come on now. Not a sledgehammer. Cannot keep Cena down. For the win. Two.
Cena's still in it.
He refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct.
Oh, Randy lining his opponent up. There's the point.
And with that, the Viper injected a dose of venom into Cena.
He has a task at hand, but prefers to be showboating right now.
Orton measuring. The reversal by Cena.
John Cena.
Two adjustment.
Cena can put it away here.
Randy Orton has been eliminated.
John Cena feeding off the WWE Universe as he so often has.
Oh, my. Apron senton.
The WWE Universe is on its feet.
And deservedly so. These superstars are holding nothing back.
Into the barricade.
Hello. Right to the back.
just continuing to dismantle their opponent. Off the barricade.
Setting up for something here. This match is spilled out to the ringside area, and as we can see, tension's really running high now.
Yeah, we should probably clear the way, guys.
And he tosses him back in now. Being carried around with ease.
Back elbow completely cuts them off.
He has no need to rush.
Russian leg sweep. Big time clothesline. Good grief. Gentlemen, in the interest of...
Crossface! This won't win the match, but it's doing a lot of damage in the process. And it rolls him off. Tell you where it's going, Saxton. Right through the table.
Attitude adjustment.
This is ridiculous. Is this a match or a demolition derby?
Judging by the destruction around us, it might be both.
So much damage inflicted. Oh, man. They do not care who or what they destroy.
Yeah, Byron, you are dangerously close to being collateral damage in this one.
Averting danger with an elbow to the stomach.
Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here? He grabbed the chair. Now would be a good time to run.
He's taking this to the floor now.
Using the elbow to his...
Batista with a pending big storm.
That just waylaid the game.
Batista with a pending
Batista bomb.
Match-ending power.
Cena might have just called checkmate on the game.
Cena gets intercepted.
Triple H has him set up. Pedigree applied. Good night.
Going to the well again. Will it produce dividends?
Triple H dodges that one. The steps connect. He just watch it.
There are no words for the ride these fans have gone through in this match.
It has been a roller coaster, and I don't think the ups and downs are over yet.
And each of these lethal maneuvers have got to be taking a toll. Really just laying it in. What impact! Right in the kisser.
He is obviously taking way too much pleasure in this right now.
And finds a counter.
Kick to the gut.
Back around into a neck breaker.
Devastating maneuver. Batista got all of him.
What's Batista putting together now?
Cena powers him up.
Right into the canvas for the attitude adjustment.
That one has to end this. Shoulders down.
Somehow he kicked out.
The game has never been one to go down with a whimper, and this time is no different.
And Cena has a stunned look across his face, but he's going to have to refocus and throttle up right away. Gut punch. Nasty.
He's able to fend off the attack.
Hooks up their opponent. Driven down with a sidewalk slam.
2 count. Kicks out.
The fact that these superstars can still be moving at this point is beyond the realm of reality. Spine buster by the animal.
And he's able to reverse.
Rings, will it be? I think so.
That's it.
John Cena has been eliminated.
Clothesline hits its mark.
Batista bomb. Batista got all of it. Cover. Got it. They outlasted every other team in this match.
Here are your winners, John Cena and Batista.
An incredibly impressive showing by this tag team.
As an expert on tag team action, I got to applaud the way these men dealt with tornado tag rules.